This is the second in the series of making dinner in less than 20 minutes. Because I know many of you have work all day and you have to juggle your kids' athletic events and practices and everything else that goes on in your life. So you want to put a homemade dinner on the table, but it can't take too long. So tonight, 20 minutes or less, we are making chicken with lemon sauce. These are boneless chicken breasts. Out here. Now I take them and I cut them in half with my kitchen shears. And now the fun part, we're going to pound them. And get them pretty flat if you can. Great for taking out your aggressions. Have a bad day at work? You get the idea. I'll be back when I'm done with the other two here. This recipe is actually for chicken piccata. And chicken piccata is a much thinner cut than what you see here. I got the recipe from Taste to Home and I'll put the link below. But if you wanted to make the as chicken piccata, you're going to need to take your breast slices and cut them in half longitudinally and then pound them very thin. And the way to easily pound something is really not to pound it. It's to use a rolling pin. Put those pieces of chicken in a gallon bag, take all the air out, seal it, and then just keep rolling your rolling pin over it until you flatten them. But I'm just doing it the fast way. And sometimes it's just fun to pound, pound, pound. Now on the pie plate back there, I have a ½ cup flour, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, some minced dried parsley. It said to put 1/4 cup fresh parsley, but I didn't have any. A ½ teaspoon salt, and then I mix that in real well. And then a dish back there with a whisk, we have 1 egg, 2 tablespoons chicken broth, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 3 garlic cloves minced, and 1/8 teaspoon hot pepper sauce. Okay, so put these over here. This. Going to want to put in that flour mixture, coat it well, and then I'm going to dip it in here. So we've got this coated well, put it in here. Okay. Drain it. Now we're going to put it in the flour mixture again. All ready to go in the fry pan. There's one. Now we're just going to do the same thing with the rest. Flour mixture. Dip in the egg. Make sure you get egg all over it. Drain the egg. Pour flour. And I'll be back when I got the other two done. We have a 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And now we'll add our meat. Nice and sizzle. Then we're going to cook it 3 to 5 minutes per side. think I'm going to do 5 minutes here. Okay, Google, put a timer for 5 minutes. See, I'm going to take the thickest one and check the inside. You're done. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And this has 3 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of the chicken broth. And we're just going to reduce that a little. Get up some of the drippings here. Nice and brown color. I really want to reduce it by 1/4 so it won't take too long here. Well, I think that's pretty good. Turn it off. So I dished up the chicken, and now we just want to pour over this juice. Okay, doesn't that look good? And if you have some sprigs of parsley, that would be great to use too. So let's just sneak a little bite of it. It melts in your mouth. It is really, really good. Love the sauce on top. It's so easy to make. Well, you saw how easy it is, and boy, does that taste good. Family loves this recipe, and I think your family will too. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.